Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on Baseus CCGAN140CS USB-C charger. About this product. Specifications. Package including parts description. Charging. This product is a 140 watts fast charger featuring a new type of semiconductor material called GaN. It has a small size, multiple ports, 2 Type-C and a USB, and almost all fast charging protocols certified, like QC4+, PD 3.0, QC 3.0, QC 2.0, SCP, FCP, AFC, PE+, PD 3.1 and more. The maximum output power of the Type-C 1 port can reach 140 watts, 28 volts 5A, supporting PD3. 1 plus 140 watt fast charging, and the maximum output power of the Type-C 2 port is 100 watts, 20 volts 5A, both of which can provide PD fast charging for laptops, mobile phones, and tablets. For the USB port, the maximum output is 60 watts, 20 volts 3A, and it is also Huawei 22.5 watts SCP certified. The product has built-in multiple safety protection circuits for overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. Wide compatibility. Use environment. Tips. Please read all instructions and warnings before using this product. Non-standard use will damage the product or personal safety. Electronic information. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.